fantastic performance in Dil Dhadkan.
Thank you.
Will you call it one of your best performances?
I don't know. These kind of things are really not really.
There's a lot of shades to it.
Yeah. But definitely this kind of response, the response has been really overwhelming, and it has really emotionally moved me. The response from the entire film fraternity, people who know me, people who have been friends with me, and even the people whom I don't know at all. Filmmakers, actors, actresses. It's been very, I'm so moved, I'm so moved. I'm really thankful and grateful to them for appreciating what we all have done in the film, and it's been wonderful, absolutely wonderful.
The box office response has been very good. First 2 days, the growth is fantastic. Does it make you feel good? Because it's not a regular film, sir. It was in a way a bit of a discussion.
Let me tell you one thing. It's a film like Dil Dhadkne Do, even with whatever business it does, this kind of film, if it does, chalo, if it does 50 crores, if it does, no, let's not say 50, if it does 100 crores, any other mainstream commercial film doing is as good as that film doing 300 crores. That's the difference. The kind of respectability, the kind of longevity this kind of film has, it's incredible. This is a kind of film which I remember every film. I've been very fortunate to be part of such films. I spoke to all my my friends, all my filmmakers I work with. हमारे जो grandchildren हैं वो फिल्म देखने वाले हैं. जो grandchildren हमारी फिल्म देखेंगे तो हमें शर्म से मुंह नहीं झुकाना चाहिए, गर्व होना चाहिए. डैड बहुत अच्छा काम किया, दादाजी बड़ा अच्छा काम किया, वो बात होनी चाहिए. तो इस फिल्म में वो बात है. इवन अब 10-15 साल या 20 साल या 25 साल के बाद जो यंग जनरेशन फिल्म देखेगी वो इस फिल्म को एंजॉय करेगी.
Apparently Arjun Kapoor calls you, you call Arjun Kapoor Chachu, and somewhere role reversal. So I think आपके जो grandchildren होंगे वो भी I think role reversal होने वाला है.
Thank you.
So what is you've always been, I think, very good writing is very important. Do you think that good writing is the victory of Dil Dhadkne?
See, I don't know, people always say that. Of course, material is the most important thing, but there are times when there has been good material but has been completely ruined by bad directors.
Exactly.
So good material is very important, and equally important is a good director, captain of the ship. He can take an above average material also and take it to a different level. The way he treats it, And there are times when there's phenomenal material and a director doesn't really understand the layers of it and cannot take out those kind of performances, and just goes flat. It's happened in my career. So it's a combination of great material and of course the director has to be equally good, and of course and people see people. So the actors are very important. The casting, even when the casting goes wrong, and whenever you have non-performers, or sometimes when actors are there, and they don't suit the role, that can be completely disastrous.
Sir, I think the way you appeared with Shefali Shah, it's आपने कल real और real कहा press conference में, but somewhere the sort of comfort level that you guys have, and ऐसा लगता है कि आप वाकई में 30 साल से एक दूसरे के साथ में आप लोग हैं.
Somewhere, I don't know, I've been very fortunate with all my actresses in my career, like from the time I started my career, from Padmini Kolhapuri, to Amrita Singh, to Madhuri, to Sridevi ji, and Kajol, Aishwarya, and Juhi Chawla, Shefali, all the actresses, they have contributed to my career, because you see, it's all about how you feed off good actors, It's very, very important to work with good actors and more than anything, good human beings.
Absolutely.
And who love their work, who are passionate about their work. I admire and respect people who are passionate about their work, who are hardworking. There are times when the actor is good, but with his hard work and passion, he can, make his performance with a good director. Brilliant.
So you feel Neerja will take Sonam Kapoor to another level altogether?
You see, the thing is,
The music is very, very good, and the concept, I think the story is very.
I think it's too early really to, speak about, and it's better that you speak to Sonam, but all I can say that Ram Madhwani and Sonam, The two are very special people. The combination of Sonam and Ram Madhvani, they are pure people, pure at heart. When two pure people come together, it's going to be magic. As human beings, you know, there is no manipulation and there is no desperation. You know, it's pure heart. Two hearts are coming together. It's going to be magic. Promise.
शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी है. Amir has done the launch in terms of Mohura's shot and everything. Now, how has been your IFA experience so far?
So far it's been always, all IFAs have been fantastic. And of course, this is very special for me because Subhash Ji is going to be on with the Lifetime Achievement Award. And me and Jackie are going to present him the award. And for me today, it's very nostalgic, very emotional, and it's an honor to present him the Lifetime Achievement Award.
Thank you, sir, and all the best. And enjoy your performance very much. Looking forward to many more. Thank you.